Hi everyone, hope you're okay and you're staying safe in this time we've been given. Maybe even doing a bit of knitting. I certainly have. So I'm going to make some more patterns. I've been knitting away. I just really wanted to take this time to thank you all for subscribing to the videos, and I was really kind of, heartfelt by some of the emails and the comments you've made to me personally and what I've seen on the knitting group. I really appreciate that. To that end, I've decided to give you a gift and it's called the Antigua top. This top is quite simple, hasn't got the dreaded go day in it, it's just knitted from hem to hem, and so you start at the back and it makes a really quick V-neck front. There's plenty of opportunities to vary that as well. It's on homemachineknitting.co.uk and the link and the email is underneath this. Anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate all your lovely comments and everything, and look forward to seeing your version soon.